Oh, Lydia. Yes, man.
Can you go wash up the plates in the kitchen for me?
Kevin, listen, don't do it, alright? This is his house. He makes the rules. Just go inside the kitchen, wash the plates. Sup, bitch? Tell him say you're not the shit. Girl, you're not. This is hoe.
You heard me? No. I said, can you go?
No, me mean no, as in me not washing a plate. Me tired of you a boss me around. Me tired of you a give me orders. What me look like, a fast food restaurant? Me not do nothing, you come like a slave master. Do this, do that. Well, guess what, master? I ain't doing shit.
Check your fever for me. It high?
No.
Alright, good. So that means say, I know sick you sick. Now sometimes I know you're so good out of that easier. So what you just say again in that easier? Because I don't want to blame me and say that ear I hear. So what you just say again in that easier?
Do re mi, la 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 la. Figaro, figaro, figaro.
I said I ain't doing shit. Oh shit! Now take up your lip, go in the kitchen and go wash your plate. Damn bright.